So guys, Xiaomi has been launching new products in the Indian market at regular intervals, along with introducing new product categories. At the start of 2020, Xiaomi had confirmed its plan to launch laptops in India. After months of silence, the company have finally started teasing the launch of its first laptop in India. But Xiaomi has not yet confirmed which model is getting unveiled. But now information about this has leaked online. As per a report by tipster Ishan Aggarwal, Xiaomi may bring its first laptop in India on June 11. Although the laptop is said to be the Redmibook 13 that was launched in December last year, and not the newer AMD Ryzen powered Redmibook 13 announced last week. Furthermore, the company is promoting the upcoming laptop on social media and is yet to reveal the model name or exact launch date. The Redmibook 13, which was unveiled in China in December last year, comes with a 13.3-inch Full HD Plus display with an 89% screen-to-body ratio. It is powered by the 10th generation Intel Core i5 and i7 processors and the NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 GPU with 8GB of LPDDR4 RAM. It has a claimed battery life of 11 hours and can charge to 50% in just 35 minutes. It is teased to feature the 1C charging tech and is set to offer enough gaming, entertainment and productivity capabilities, while more details regarding its specifications are not known. The one thing that we already know is that the Xiaomi laptop coming to India will not be an affordable option as its smartphones. Also in the news, Vivo is gearing up to introduce two new X series smartphones in India. The upcoming smartphones are the Vivo X50 and X50 Pro. Recently we came across the complete specification sheet of the Pro model. Now the company has confirmed its arrival in the Indian market. The CEO of Vivo India has revealed this information via a post on Facebook. However, no official date has been confirmed for the same. Considering the device has gone official in China, we can expect an upcoming launch this month itself. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.